Most people do not like to talk about death. In fact, it is a subject that is studiously avoided in everyday life. The prospect of our own mortality can be terrifying. This is one of the reasons why people don't take care of their end-of-life affairs. It can be especially difficult to bring up the subject of dying with your parents. After all, not only are your parents likely to be sensitive about it, but you are as well. You will have to deal with your parents' estates whether or not they have money to leave you. In fact, if they have large overdue debt, you may be required to repay it. Not discussing these issues can lead to a great deal of tension during an already difficult time. Most people include life insurance in their afterlife planning. Varied people will have different responses to the subject of whether or not they should purchase life insurance. Most older people who are no longer supporting their families believe they do not require life insurance. However, life insurance for the elderly can help pay for burial expenses as well as any outstanding bills. It can be of great assistance to their loved ones. If you're looking for life insurance for your parents, you may be wondering how to go about it. Here are some things to think about. Look it up on the internet. Getting life insurance used to be something that had to be done in person. There was paperwork to be completed, as well as the dreaded medical examination. However, in 2023, obtaining life insurance will be much easier. Begin by looking online. Many insurers will give you with quotations on the fly, using AI to consider many aspects. You have the option of accepting the quote or looking elsewhere. Having as many options as possible is a good thing. Medical exams are no longer required by all life insurance. However, seniors may need medicals in order to acquire low-cost rates. Without the examination, the insurer may decide that the individual is too dangerous. Take into account your parents' age. The truth is that age does make a difference in this circumstance. Finding affordable life insurance after the age of 65 gets much more difficult. Many insurers will provide term life insurance up to the age of 75, but the premiums will be high. The age of your parents will help you decide whether it is worthwhile to obtain them life insurance. The closer they are to 75, the more you will pay and the less you will receive. Finally, unless they still have dependents who rely on their income, life insurance may not be what they require. Even if they have debts that you will eventually have to pay off, the money you would spend on life insurance premiums could be better utilized to reduce them. Whole life insurance. Term life insurance is available until the age of 75. People with young families who rely on their income typically take out this type of loan. It lasts for a specific amount of time, typically 20 years, and then expires. Another sort of life insurance is paid indefinitely. That is what full life insurance is. Individuals above the age of 75 can get whole life insurance plans. You will pay exorbitant rates, but you will be reimbursed in the end. However, it may be more beneficial to put that money into a wise investment. Obtaining life insurance for your parents is now easier than ever, with estimates available online. However, the greater the premiums would be, the older your parents are.